In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Among Us disconnected from server. Now, there's multiple reasons why you could be getting this error, and in this video, we take a look at the most common causes and solutions. So what could be happening is that Among Us servers are currently down. So in order to do that, what you want to do is you want to open up any web browser and just go ahead and look up Among Us server status just like that. So let me go ahead and bring you my web browser. Yep, there you go. And I recommend using the website downdetector.com. And whenever you go ahead and press on it, it is going to let you know if there are server problems with Among Us. So if you notice that there's like a gigantic spike, then that likely means there are server issues. And if there are server issues, then the best course of action is to wait it out. Now, Among Us is actually pretty fast when it comes to responding to server issues, so you really shouldn't need to wait that much, but that is certainly something that could be happening. And the next thing that could be happening is a weak Wi-Fi connection. So you always want to make sure that you have a good Wi-Fi connection or mobile data. Weak signals often cause disconnects, so please, if you're experiencing disconnections a lot, restart your router or switch to a stronger network. And if you're on a PC and if you're able to, I recommend getting an Ethernet cable. It's basically a wired cable that connects one end of it to your PC and the other end of it to the back of your router. And that is like the most optimal Wi-Fi connection. That's what I personally use. So if you're able to, maybe you have a spare Ethernet cable lying around, definitely go ahead and see if you're able to use that. Another thing that I recommend that you guys do is to try to restart your game and device. So close Among Us fully and clear it from the recent apps, and then go ahead and relaunch it and see if that does fix the issue. And also, if you do have like a VPN or a firewall, go ahead and temporarily disable it, because that could be impacting your performance and stuff like that. For example, if you're in a server that is like across the world or something like that, then it may be a little bit difficult in order to get good connection. So it's always important that you go ahead and make sure that you turn off any VPNs or any proxies. Now, to be honest, the main thing is honestly Wi-Fi. So if you're able to get a good Wi-Fi connection, then this issue should not persist. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.